The next generation of leaders will shape how our cities manage energy, protect water resources, and strengthen communities. Resilience and sustainability are no longer optional. They are the foundation of thriving cities. But real world experience is often missing in the classroom. Introducing Cloudsyte University Partnerships, a program designed to connect students, universities, and local governments to solve today's biggest sustainability challenges. First, Cloudsyte partners with universities offering programs in sustainability, planning, and environmental science. Faculty bring Cloudsyte directly into coursework, practicums, or capstone projects. Next, students are paired with nearby cities and counties. They manage real community data, tracking energy, water, emissions, and resilience projects, while helping governments unlock actionable insights. At the end of the program, students earn the Cloudsyte Certified Sustainability Analyst credential, recognized like Power BI or ArcGIS certifications, along with course credit and a portfolio of real-world projects. For students, hands-on experience, degree credit, certification, and a direct path into sustainability careers. For universities, applied learning, stronger community partnerships, and graduates ready to lead. For cities, dedicated support in managing sustainability data, fresh insights, and a direct connection to tomorrow's workforce. This isn't just about learning, it's about impact. Students gain skills, universities advance their mission, and cities accelerate progress toward resilience and net zero goals. Universities and faculty today can integrate Cloudsyte into the curriculum and give students hands-on experience solving real-world city challenges. Nominate your university today at cloudsyte.com.